Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully set up our admin template, right? So right now in this video, I want to actually segment this page. That means this area as our sidebar. So if you want to segment it in Laravel, you can do that work very easily. So how can do that work? I show you. For doing this, first of all, you have to go to our master, because into the master area I have already loaded this sidebar and our header part, right? So this part I have loaded into the index page. And now first of all, if you go to our admin, and with the admin here, I have already loaded all that our CSS. So that is all that our CSS. And after that, here you can see, friend, that is actually the left sidebar. Okay, so left sidebar with the footer. So that is one of the part. That is our asset part, and with the asset here you can see that is actually our dashboard. That means this one. So right now I want to actually segment it. So if you want to segment better, I want to minimize it. So if you minimize it, here you can see that is actually our asset part. So if you cut it, I cut it from here. If you now click as a save all. So first of all I want to check it, click as a refresh. Yeah, you can see it's not totally gone. That means this part is totally gone. So I want to actually add this part with another area. So I cut it from here into the admin, into the admin area. I want to create another folder, and I just name it as a body. Okay, I create another folder is a body. Into the body area, I want to create another new file, and I just name it as a sidebar blade.php. Okay, so I name it as a sidebar blade.php. So here I want to paste it. Okay, that means here I want to paste our that means total sidebar. So here that is our sidebar code, right? So now I paste it on here, and now I want to actually include it. Okay, that means include this sidebar, because of all from here I have already cut it, right? So you can see it's not visible. So if you want to add this part will be included in particular that area. That means here you can do that work with using one of the another include function. So I name it as include. Okay, that means the include, and with this include here we have to add our path. So I have created this file in our admin and the body folder, and then there is our sidebar, right? So now I want to add it, include our admin and then our body. And then I have created one of the file as a sidebar. So that is our sidebar, right? I hope friend is very much clear to you. So with this include, automatically now it will be take our all that code and it will be included in particular that area. So I include our admin folder, that is a body folder, and that is our file name as a sidebar. So that is our sidebar, right? So now if you click as a save all, everything will be very much clear to you, friend. Now click as a refresh. Yeah, you can see it's now perfectly loaded on here. So now here I segment this part. So if you want to segment that header part, so here you have to find out that appropriate file location, and then here you have to include it. Okay, so right now it's okay with me. So into the master area right now I only want to take this header part, and that is our sidebar part. So right now if you want to customize your sidebar, you can customize it. Like that is our theme name. I name it as admin dashboard. So whatever the things, now you can change it automatically. It should be updated. Click as a refresh. You can see it's now totally changed. And also that is all that our menu. So here I don't want to use that CPU. That means the CPU uses. So here I want to remove it. So if you want to remove it, so that is our CPU. You can see, and to the last area, that is our CPU for 40%. That is a 60%. All that is static data. So right now I want to actually change it. That is actually our deb. That means the total deb. So now I want to actually remove it. So here I want to remove it. So better I remove this part. So here it's now totally gone. Click as a save all. And now if you refresh it, yeah, you can see it's now totally gone. So that is all that our menu, that is all that menu, there is a menu. So that is all that by default menu. So now step by step everything I will update. Okay, here we will create all that our pages that I want to create. And from here I want to manage all that our font int. Okay. So friend, I hope you enjoyed very much how can set up your admin template, how can segment it, how can make this part as a dynamic part. So here all that our dynamic content will be loaded into the content area. So how can do that work? I hope friend every concept is very much clear to you, right? So here we successfully did that work. So right now in our next video, I want to do like here I have already discussed about that logout. Let me show in before we successfully go to the dashboard. They have one of the logout. So here right now I want to apply this logout. Right now I'm already logged in. Okay, if you go to our home page, if you go to the refresh, and you can see I'm already logged in. So here I want to do and actually first of all complete that logout portion. So how can create that logout page in our next video? I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.